Okay guys, so now we're working on the head a little bit now that we got her off. So I just took out the first valve. Okay. Ooh yeah. Crusty rusty. Alright, look in here. Oh, that's pretty bad. That'll never make an airtight seal. It's just not going to work with those two surfaces. So what we're going to do is we're going to lap the valves, and I will show you how easy that can be. I'm going to take this, tap it out. If I get my fat fingers in there. I had this out earlier. Okay, so what you're going to do, if you don't have the right tool, you can always make one. Okay, here's what we did. So this is going to straddle your rocker and make contact with the washer on top. This was just a bushing that I had laying around. I just cut it up. In hindsight, I would have cut it a little differently, but whatever. So then what you do is you take your C-clamp, we're missing a piece on the C-clamp, go figure. And all of my organization, yeah, it's a little crowded. That's okay. So anyhow, take your C-clamp, put it on the bottom of the valve, and then what you do, you're going to put that homemade tool that you made and you're going to compress that spring far enough until you get your keepers out. And that's all that holds that sucker in. It's real easy. I'll show you on the next one. But don't lose those. And they're tapered. They only go one way. The fat end goes in just like that. The fat end goes towards the tappet.